Hey, tech enthusiasts, today we're unboxing two exciting foldable smartphones, the Honor Magic V3 and the Honor Magic Vs3, and we will compare them side by side. First, let's unbox the Honor Magic V3. As we open the sleek packaging, we find the phone itself thin, elegant, and ready to impress. Beneath the phone, there's a SIM ejector tool, always handy. Next, we reveal the protective case, a must-have for keeping your device safe. And this case includes an incredible stand. And of course, the USB Type-C charging cable. Fast charging awaits. Last but not least, the star of the show, the 66-watt charger. Next up, we'll explore the packaging of the Honor Magic Vs3. First, we reveal the star of the show, the Honor Magic Vs3 itself. Beneath the phone, we find the trusty SIM ejector tool. Now, let's talk about the special case. Like the previous one, it's not just any case, it comes with a built-in stand. Perfect for binge watching or video calls. Next up, the powerhouse, the 66-watt charger. Lightning speed awaits. And finally, the essentials, a USB Type-C charging cable. Let's compare the fantastic foldable phone Magic V3 and Magic Vs3. The Magic V3 boasts an incredibly thin profile, just for 0.35 mm when unfolded and 9.2 mm when folded. On the other hand, the Magic Vs3 is slightly thicker at 4.65 mm unfolded and 9.8 mm folded. Both devices feature a foldable LTPO OLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. The Magic V3 has a 7.92-inch screen, while the Magic Vs3 matches it. The Magic V3 sports a 50-megapixel main camera, 40-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens. Meanwhile, the Magic Vs3 offers a 50-megapixel main camera, 40-megapixel ultra-wide, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens. That's it for the unboxing and basic comparison of the Honor Magic V3 and Magic Vs3. We will discuss which one performs better in daily uses. Don't forget to tell me which one you like most.